Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to design this bold football player poster in Canva. No design experience needed, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and set your project size. I'm using the Instagram portrait size for this one, but feel free to pick whatever size fits your platform. Story, poster, or custom size all work great. Next, go to Elements and search newspaper or paper texture. Add it as your background, then lower the transparency a bit. This gives the poster a subtle vintage texture feel without distracting from the photos. Open the Frames folder and choose Basic Frames. Pick the sharp triangle shape at the bottom. Duplicate it 2 more times so you have 3 triangles with different widths. Rotate and reposition them. And here's a pro tip. Don't make them perfectly symmetrical left and right. Slight variation make the layout way more dynamic and less boring. Upload 3 action shots of your player. Helmet close-up, portrait, and an image action shot work really well. Drag one photo into each frame. Then double-click to adjust the position and zoom until it fits nicely inside the triangle. Select all 3 frames at once, then add the outline and color it to match your team's brand colors. This ties the whole design together and instantly make it feel official. Now upload a full body photo with a transparent background, or if you use Canva Pro, just remove the background and place it small enough at the bottom point where the triangles meet. Just enough for visual hierarchy, not too big but proper. Then type the player's last name using a bold sports style font like I'm using here. Go to Effect. Add a curve or arc effect. And set it behind the full body photo. And then add last season stats on the left and the right side of the full body photo. Then add the jersey number near the triangle frames to balance out the composition. Finally, download it as PNG, and that's it. Your football poster is ready to use for recruiting, social media, or highlight reels. If this helps, smash that subscribe button for more Canva sport design tutorial every week. See you next video and have fun with Canva!